Bad driver Barry. Most dinosaurs were terrible car drivers. Their short forearms made holding the steering wheels difficult, leading to many accidents. One morning, Barry came out of his driveway in high speed and started to dangerously overtake others, honking continuously. Soon a car came close to Barry's and honked relentlessly, blocking his way and not letting him drive properly. Irritated Barry parked his car on the side. Seeing this, the other dinosaur parked too. Barry then went to the other car and was shocked to see his mom on the driver's seat. Angrily, his mom shouted, "I get so many complaints about you, Barry, that I had to imitate you in order to show you what you do wrong. On the road, always be considerate of others around you and don't just think about yourself and your needs." Ashamed, Barry apologized and promised to behave better. Peter's revenge. Peter, a pterodactyl dinosaur, was chasing an evil pterosaur. The pterosaur had attacked Peter's cave, and now Peter was chasing him to take revenge. Flying as swiftly as possible, they passed through the mountain cracks and clefts. Once, Peter almost caught up with him, but missed when the pterosaur vertically flew the length of a tall tree. After hours of flying over the forest in attempts to catch the pterosaur, Peter, still furious, was now tired. He realized that he needed to use his mind more than his body to avenge the loss. Pretending to retire out of tiredness, he took the support of a boulder. Seeing this, the pterosaur approached and said, "You will never be as fast as I, Peter." Immediately, Peter moved and let the boulder fall on the unsuspecting pterosaur, saying, "But you need to be as sharp as I." And he returned home a hero. Equal respect for all. Gary was a smart and observant dinosaur. He loved noticing the little habits of everyone around. Once, Gary went to the market with his cousins. These cousins were loved and appreciated by everyone in the dino family, and Gary wanted to be like them. So he observed them even more closely. At the market, he noticed how nicely they talked to everyone, thanking shopkeepers before leaving their shops, greeting strangers with a warm smile, holding the door for others, etc. On their way back home, a poor homeless dinosaur accidentally bumped into the trio. Gary immediately yelled at him, but the cousins stopped Gary, helped the homeless dinosaur up, and bade him goodbye with a warm smile. That was when Gary realized that just showing respect doesn't win you appreciation, but being equally respectful to all does. Gary promised to follow in his cousin's footsteps. The school project. No matter how hard all the dinosaurs tried, Olivia's tears just wouldn't stop. She had been crying continuously for hours and was inconsolable. Eva and Olivia were classmates. The teacher had assigned them a project together, and they had been working on it for weeks. But when the project was complete, Eva told everyone that she had made it all by herself. Olivia was sad and felt betrayed. But after the hours of weeping and failing to do anything about Eva's mean actions, Olivia decided to take revenge. She knew where the project was kept and decided to destroy it, making sure Eva didn't win. The moment Olivia tore the sheets and broke the project, her teacher caught her and asked, "Why did you do that?" Olivia narrated her plight, and the teacher punished her, saying, "Two wrongs don't make a right. Eva was wrong, but so are you."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.